Bring me a Great Value Pine, and you can pick a $2 liquid that you like.
Okay. The Target Pine?
That one's
That's $2 one, you said?
the Great Value, yeah. Jesus. Pine Glow, scrub free.
Okay, I got the best one.
Yes. Over here on this side. No, I don't. I have aromas for 3, 2 sapolios for 3. I have espumil for 5. I have Foca for 5. I have Wash Attack for 5. I have 1 Arrow for 7 and Foca for 8. I think I have like 3 of them left.
I wish this was spicy shrimp. Then I can put some hot sauce.
Yeah, recycled's going in. I do have fabric softeners. I have fabric softener for 7 and for 4. Kevin, can you go check the mail really quick and see if my sponges came in?
Okay.
If anybody would like to add laundry, that'd be really good. They're crying because she left. They're crying because she left. She's their mother. It's wet. Oh, my hands gave way. Oh, that was an awful squeeze. I'm sorry. These sponges are so pretty. They're so hard to squeeze because you have to break them on. Anybody that uses this, how do you break them in? Because I am just having the absolute hardest time breaking them.
They haven't come yet.
They haven't come? That's fine, thank you. Hi, Miss Ida. How are you, my love? Thank you for the heart me. Alcohol pop. I can tell you, a fabric softener is not gonna break these though. I'm gonna message her and ask her what she recommends.
I can't get this one song stuck out of my head.
I hear you singing it. Heather, thank you for the heart me. I haven't put your liquids in, Nessa. Or I did put yours in. I have 2 more going in. But I wanted to make sure I mixed everything.
This is a good song.
Thank you for the heartbeat. Pine vanilla. put some liquids in. And then we got a lot more cans going in. So many babies. Has anybody heard from Stink Bug? Did she have a baby? I know she was in labor the other day. On Saturday.
She was in labor for all your life?
Yeah.
How about that patient?
So cute.
That's awesome, Rachel.
Here's a nice picture. Can you get my stool from Warner? Anybody else like to add any liquids? Would anybody else like to add any liquids really quick? I do have liquids for 2, for 4, for 6, for 5. I have a lot. 2. Gabriella.
Your stool was like propping up a chair and I like fixed it. And then the chair just went.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Or it just scared you?
It just scared me. I don't know if I'm gonna get hurt. Might be having to get hurt more recently.
Over there, please. Much better. It smells so good. Now you want to eat it. Hi. Recycled and laundry. If anybody would like to add, I do still have laundry, plenty of laundry available. We're putting a pause on recycled cans for right now. Hi, Mimi. Shh. I need to change my sponges out. Recycled and laundry. Recycled and laundry. How many recycled cans do we have left? This is what I'm gonna take out. I need to figure out how to break these in before I use them. Anything powder. I got you, babe. Thank you.